At Instacart, we have an application to manage all generated leads. I have developed and designed it end to end and also contributed to a lot of product ideas. We capture all the user activities, whether the lead dropped off or converted. So let's see how it works and what it does in detail. This is a lead handling dashboard. It has all the information about each lead, that is, if any user visits the website or app and then drops off or transacts. It also sends the same information to our marketing team and also to the software called Motic, which is used for sending emails to our users. This application tracks all user activities, that is, if the user is visiting the home page or visiting any booking page and then drops off, or a user is clicking on the payment button and then drops off, or they go to some links and previews the website, or if they make a transaction. So, all these activities are tracked in this user activity table. So this user activity table has name of the customer, email ID of the customer. Along with this, we also store the phone number of the customer in this column itself. There are also source and medium, which and session ID. Source and medium tells us about where the user is coming from. If the user is coming in because of some campaign, then it has some source and medium in the link. So we capture them and store it in these tables. Session ID tells us about uh, tells us which user did what and at what time on Instacart website or app. We assume that users will finish whatever they are doing or want to do within 30 minutes. That's why sessions are of 30 minutes. So it is good to calculate the drop off after 30 minutes of their activity. That is when their session completes. This application has a cron job running at the back end, which calculates every 10 minutes if any session was completed. If there were, then the application calculates the user activities and predicts if they transacted or dropped off, and if they dropped off, where and when they did it. All this information is stored in the drop off summary table, as well as it is also been shared with the marketing teams. Users are sent scheduled emails based on these activities, and if one wishes to get all of this information in an Excel sheet, which marketing team usually does, then they can filter all this information based on their requirements and click on export data. So this exports their data in an Excel sheet. So here we have filters like source, medium, and lead status, user activity. So lead status is basically if the user is active or expired, if the lead is active or expired or transacted based on their lead dropped lead based on if the lead has dropped off or not. And they can even filter this information by dates. So if I want to filter all the leads captured within one last week, then I can put those filters. And this is how we handle all the leads coming to the website or app at Instacart. And so this is called the lead handling dashboard. That's what we call it at Instacart. Thank you.